Hello dear students. In previous lectures of sources of food, we have completed following topics: food importance, what is the ingredients needed for food, what kind of food we get from plants, what kind of food we get from animals, and what animals eats. On that basis, we did classify them between herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Okay, we in yesterday lecture we did. And yesterday I have given you an activity 4 to complete. So let's now first we complete that. Okay. So second particular he has given you cat. So cat, what it eat? It eat rat, lizard. It's a kind of omnivorous thing. Okay. Milk, mean to say both kind. Rat, lizards, milk, chapati. Okay, these are the various things which a cat can eat particularly. Okay. Third thing is lion. It is particularly carnivorous. So sheep, deer, buffalo. These are the different things which a particular lion can eat. Okay. Fourth is pigeon. Pigeon will be considered as omnivores, mean to say insects it can eat. Okay. Wheat, particularly corn as well, fruits. Okay, these are the different things if eaten by pigeon. The fifth one is lizard. For lizard, we will talk about insects. Okay, flies. These few things it is eaten by the lizards, particularly carnivorous nature. Sixth one is given cockroach. It is considered omnivores. Okay, so both kinds it can eat. So you can say meat particularly. Okay, and sweets, fruits. These are different things on a cockroach can eat. Seventh one is horse. Okay, first and eighth already filled one to you. So horse is a herbivorous animal. Okay, so it can eat grass, green beans, and carrot, some fruits like watermelon. These are the favorite things eaten by a particular horse. Okay, so this is your activity 4. Activity 4. Now today's topic is regarding food chain. Okay, food chain. Let's discuss what do we mean by food chain and how it comes to this topic. You know that sun is almost source of every energy we are using. We are needing food. Why? Because we need energy. Every animal need food because of energy need. Okay, but from where they are getting energy? Everyone is getting from sun. Not directly, because sun's energy can be utilized only by plants. Okay, sun's energy can be utilized by plants. Why? Because they contain chlorophyll. But these plants are then eaten by which? Herbivores. In herbivores you can talk sheep, deer, cow. Okay. But then these herbivorous animals are eaten by omnivores, well, like lion, tiger. So there is a chain particularly that who is what? So carnivores particularly. These are known as carnivores, not omnivores. And omnivores eat both of these. Omnivores particularly, like human. Okay. So in this we see that few particular things eaten by someone, then that thing is eaten by thing. So a chain get formed, particularly link chain. So that's why we can define food chain is a chain or link in which who is eating and eaten by whom? Who is eating and eaten by whom? That link is known as your food chain. Okay. Now, our last topic in this chapter of sources of food is your food problem. Food problem. In our country, a lot of persons are not able to get food. Why? There may be possible two reasons. Why? First thing, less food. There is less food available. Second reason, they do not have capability to buy food. So these are the two main problems why some people are not getting food. And if anyone is not getting foods particularly, that is considered food problem. Okay, and why it is occurring, you know very well, because there is less food available or either they don't have capability to buy food. So how to resolve them? How to resolve food problem? Resolve food problems. First, grow more food. Grow more food particularly. Okay. Second, store properly. Store food properly. Okay. Third, do not spoil food. Do not spoil food. Fourth, remove poverty. Remove poverty. Okay. Poverty means greedy hatao. So remove poverty. So that's are the main methods how to you will resolve food. And what is the food problem? That in a country peoples are not getting enough and proper food. That is termed as food problems. Now what are the reason for the food problem? Less food available or the people do not have capability. So these must have to resolve, and so the resolution will be grow more food, store food properly, do not spoil food, or remove poverty. So these are the main topics particularly. So in today's lecture, your chapters won't end particularly, that is sources of foods. Now, your homework. So read complete chapter. Read complete chapter. Second thing, exercise A, B, C, D. D stands for very short answers. Short answer questions. Solves exercise solve up to where A, B, C, D particularly. Okay, thank you.